Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on understanding quadrilaterals, chapter number 3.4, problem number 2. So here the question is, identify all the quadrilaterals that have 4 sides of equal length and then 4 right angles. So first question is 4 sides of equal length. Okay. So we have to say that 2 quadrilaterals. We can say that 2 quadrilaterals are there. One is square. Okay, where all the 4 sides are equal in length. Another one is rhombus, where all the sides are equal in length. Okay. So for the first question, the answer is square and rhombus. Okay, all sides are equal in length. Okay, and then second question, 4 right angles. Okay, so again in square we have 4 right angles. Okay, and also one more quadrilateral is there where you have 4 right angles, that is rectangle. Okay, so answer for second question is square and rectangle. Okay, so square and rhombus have all sides equal, all 4 sides are equal in length. Square and rectangle, all angles are of right angles. Right angles means what? A 90 degree. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching.